Rugs, only $1.99.
Aldi's home entertainment special buys are on sale Thursday. A Logitech Universal Remote just $19.99 and a 32-inch HD LCD TV an amazing $249. Rush in before they rush out. Aldi, smarter shopping.
You're right. You're right.
2 pairs of designer glasses for $199? And no gap if you're with one of these health funds. Should have gone to Specsavers.
Big enough to be seen from space and growing all the time. What effect is the Mega City having on our planet? Mega Cities, Tuesday at 10 on Win.
Love is in the air.
The thing about love, sometimes you need to give it a little push.
Farmer John, a true country gentleman, is about to get a second chance at love.
You look after the right girl, she'll look after you. You find the right one, your heart's going to tell you. Go with your heart.
This time, there's going to be a twist.
New, The Farmer Wants a Wife, next Monday at 7:30 on Win.
The home of entertainment. The home of hot seats. Win Television.